Hello again, folks. I bring another video on financial markets where I'm going to use the price action of support and resistance with 3 indicators. Let's start with the configuration quickly. Let's go to the time frame and set it for 15 seconds in glasses candles. Let's select indicators such as fractal charts, zigzag, and fractal. So let's do that. Okay, fractal charts, fractal, normal one, and zigzag. Let's quickly go to the settings for each of them. So the first one, the charts, we're gonna use that configuration 2 on period. That's simple. The color is up to you if you want to use the same or not. The second one, zigzag. Okay, 5, 12, and 3. Alright, so fractal, the last one, we're gonna use 5 on periods. Is that one? The color is up to you if you want to use the same. I recommend you to use the same color. That will be more easy for you. Alright, so don't forget about that. It's red is down and green up, so pay attention with that one. Alright, so that's very simple, guys. So how do you identify that? We see where the price doesn't go here. It doesn't go through here. It's come back and slow down here. I hope it is not going to enter at once. The price doesn't go through. It starts to be like a range. I start to differentiate the zone. Yes, I wait for it to break the fractal charts or the red one. It's break strongly. That's that direction. So it just performed their first entry right now. After big rise, we got a downward creating right here. All right, and that's pretty good for us. That's a big gap. That's why I entered down. I could have entered down on this candle, but I don't know. I guess this candle was going to be until I see the price in tension. I can enter. Well, all right. So that's the reason. We have the zigzags to the other fractal. We got the downward. This one, okay. You can see that this is a huge red candle. So you got your saliva on that. That's so good, guys. 6 seconds of the inspiration. See how the first inspiration turns out and the position is perfect. I have the first one and look at this, baby. $70 of profits, almost 75, 76 in my account. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. I continue to then find the zone. It's possible to be upward zone. Would be this one, the one below their main intermediate zone. But I always try to trade extremely. Okay, so look that 80 CAD downtrends. We got this one right now. Look at that point. That's another huge red candle. Okay, so that is opportunity, guys. That's we need to look in when I try to make an operation. Okay. And I could say no. The entry is occurring due to the breakout by trend. I won the low with the large candle, so I entered downwards on 80 CAD, guys. I want to be very careful. Perhaps the trend is low, that I may lose the trade. And look at that. Oh my gosh, man. 5 seconds remaining. Come on. One, we got this, baby. Oh my gosh, it was so close. $138 my account. The position could have been taken where And when I raise the price twice, it rejects, guys. And I could have entered, but here the fractal is just breaking. That is the ideal entry could be here. That tells that I have to wait for this break then low for me to try entering in continuation, because it's made the price is not best here and goes up. Just increase my accounts. Let's go again. Okay, just perform that 80 cat again. It's the same pair. Downward again. And guys, the Charles fractal here. Alright. We got the line. We got this position. You can see that. So based on this, I entered it down because I see that price is resistance going up. Apart from this main trend, which is bearish, that is the main criterion for entry. I hope it's break the Charles, but goes in another direction, and I clearly enter in favor of the trend. If I'm against this, guys, it's very, very, very like that we'll lose the position, and it's very close to the support. Then me right here, reaction, then go up, but it seems I'm still half of the way there. I still have some way to go in the time I'm marking. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. We got the last one. Look at this, guys. $240. $248 in the total of my accounts. That's so good. 45 to almost 250. Guys, I hope this video has helped a lot. I invite you to leave your opinion in the comments to see how the indicators work with the price action. The indicators are really a confirmation for those who know much about support and resistance levels, and can help with zigzag, can help you understand what you identify those areas. Like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, daily live sessions, and have a great day, guys. See you in the next video. Wish good profits and good operations. Bye.